Hello, this is video 1.0, which is how to create your account on Wix.com. So I have come to Wix.com. I should not be logged in because the person before me should have logged out. So I'm going to press the button to sign up. And I am a new user, so I need to make sure that I'm selecting this bullet point that I am a new user. And I'm going to type in my right state email address. It is really essential that you use your right state email address, not a Gmail account or a Yahoo account. You need to use your professional right state email address. So I would type that in right here, and I'm going to create a new password that is unique to Wix.com, that is a secret that I probably will not ever have to change. It's not like your right state password that changes all the time, so I do not want to make it the same as my W number or email password, which does change frequently. I'm making this something that I don't have to keep track of because it's just specific to Wix. So I'm going to make that my password. I do not want the computer to remember me because other people may be using this account, this computer, so I don't want anyone to be able to log on to my account. And then I say go, and I have to confirm my information and confirm the password that I've created. I don't want to ever copy and paste into here because that's dangerous for making mistakes. And then I say sign up. And even though right now this is very tempting to start choosing a category to make a template, I actually am going to do that later because that's not the most important thing. And what I need to do right now instead is I need to kind of skip this step. So I'm just going to go ahead and say go, just to kind of get past this. And instead of clicking on all these fun templates which are open here, I'm going to come back to that later, and for now I need to change my username, which is my Wix specific username, because that will become part of my portfolio URL, my unique website, and I don't want this to be it. That's a lot of letters for somebody to have to type to get to my eventual portfolio website. My name is very long, so I want to change it to something that's short and professional and easy to type in, that's accurate, probably without punctuation. That's a big problem in URLs, so I'm going to come to my account, and under my account it's telling me I don't have a website yet, but that's okay. I can still change my username, which again is this part up here. As I'm logged in. So I'm going to change my username by going into settings, and as you can see, it's already filled in a username which may or may not be your actual name. It will generate one as close to your email address as it can. So I'm going to make mine shorter by just making it something like Emery WA, or maybe I'll make mine Whitman-Allen without any punctuation because that's a little easier, or E.W. Allen. It does have to be at least 6 characters, so if I try to just do my initials, it will tell me that it's too short. So I'm going to make it something professional, part of my name or a variation of my name, but this is my professional username. This will never change until my graduation. This is always going to be my username that is associated with my portfolio. It will become part of my URL, so I have to make it really professional and nicely succinct. And here I'm going to verify my password, and I'm going to update my details. Now, if your username is already taken, this will happen and you'll have to come up with something else. So you may need to vary it somehow. Maybe I'll just do E. Whitman-Allen like this as a variation, or you could try to add a number. For example, that would be fine. I would avoid this if you can, but if you have to, maybe you could make it the number that is part of your right state email address. I'm going to try this. Okay, when it works, it will tell you that your details have been updated successfully. So that is good news for me. And now that I have updated my username officially, I do not want my computer to save this password. So I'm going to say don't remember passwords for this website. And now you can see my username has officially changed. When I go to create my website and I choose a template, which will be the next video, video 1.1, you can learn how to choose a template and register your web address officially using the tools on Wix. Once I do that, this will become part of my URL. So in order to go choose a template, which is the next thing I'm going to do, I can click on this Explore button, and I can look at some of the examples on here that are, already made that maybe will inspire me, or I can hit this templates button and I can begin choosing a template. So that will be the next step if you watch the next video.